Well, we're here at the Arizona State Capitol, filling Doug Ducey's hole in the ground. There's all the guys, lots of them. That's the Capitol building right there. There's all my guys. All right, pump it all. Pumping sand slurry into an old diesel fuel tank. This is the back of the fuel tank in case the power run out. They could run the state capitol out diesel. They've deleted this now, and I guess they put a new system in. Yeah. Alright. We're doing it. Yeah, it's feeling pretty nice. Got C-Max over there, here at the state capitol. Yeah, when I run for governor, that'll be my offices when I win. I'll be working right there, boys, when I'm governor of Arizona. There's Sam, my father-in-law. Here we are, we're getting it done. Big or small, Reiner pumps it all. Out here at the Arizona State Capitol building, Phoenix, Arizona. Got the Reiner XR636, pumping slurry. Kicking butt. Big or small, Reiner pumps it all. Apparently they trust me to pump the government jobs I seem to get. Just about all of them. Must be doing something right. I'm already used to working with the government on these jobs. I might as well help run the government when I'm governor.